Google Business Profile is one of the most valuable tools for businesses of all sizes, helping them improve their online presence and connect with customers more effectively. Formerly known as Google My Business, this platform provides a variety of features that allow businesses to showcase their products, services, and location directly on Google Search and Maps. In this video, we'll go over the main benefits of Google Business Profile and explain why every business should take advantage of it in 2025. One of the biggest benefits is increased visibility for local searches. When potential customers search for businesses or services near them, a well-optimized Google Business Profile ensures that your business appears at the top of search results and on Google Maps. This makes it much easier for people to find your location, contact you, or visit your store, which can lead to more foot traffic and sales. Another key benefit is enhanced credibility and trust. A complete profile with accurate business information, photos, and customer reviews shows that your business is professional and reliable. Reviews in particular play a major role in influencing customer decisions. Responding to reviews demonstrates that you value customer feedback and helps build a positive reputation online. Google Business Profile also provides direct engagement with customers. Features like messaging, Q&A, and post updates allow you to interact with potential clients in real time. You can answer questions, share promotions, and keep customers informed about your latest offers or events. This level of engagement strengthens relationships and encourages repeat business. Another important benefit is access to insights and analytics. Google Business Profile provides valuable data on how customers find your business, which actions they take, and which parts of your profile are most effective. This information allows you to make data-driven decisions, improve your marketing strategies, and optimize your online presence for better results. Finally, Google Business Profile is free and easy to use, making it accessible for small business owners, freelancers, and even larger companies. With features like photos, posts, appointment bookings, and insights, you can manage your online presence efficiently without the need for expensive marketing tools. By leveraging these benefits, local visibility, credibility, customer engagement, actionable insights, and ease of use, you can grow your business, attract more clients, and stand out in your local market. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Start using Google Business Profile today and enjoy the benefits of increased visibility, trust, and customer engagement for your business.